So do y'all ever have that moment when you're laying on the sofa late at night, watching TV, minding your own business? A little voice in your head starts to ask, what's for dessert? Well, I've been thinking about it and I've got an idea. This dessert's still around for a reason. Retro or not, it's delicious.